This custom-built home in desirable Western Cranston is set on a large, tranquil lot filled with beautiful, mature plantings. Step through the large double doors and into the elegant foyer with a curving staircase. Step down to the spacious living room with a fireplace and French doors opening to the warm sunroom surrounded by oversized windows. Dine with friends and family in the bright dining room with detailed wainscoting. A fabulous cook's kitchen with white cabinetry and a walk-in pantry includes a large breakfast area with an adjoining bar. From both the sunroom and breakfast area, you can step out to the gorgeous terrace and enjoy alfresco dining in this park-like setting. Completing the first floor are a laundry room, powder room, and a private home office. The upper level features a spacious master suite boasting a dressing room and generous spa-like bath. There are 3 additional sun-filled bedrooms, each with ample closet space on this floor, along with a full bath, office area, and an expansive bonus room. This home's quiet location is conveniently close to the shops and dining in Garden City, Chapel View, the Warwick Mall, and all of the stores on Bald Hill Road. Enjoy the festivities at nearby Mulligan's Island, where you can partake in multiple mini golf courses, a par 3 course, batting cages, and more. Multiple golf courses are minutes away, along with Roger Williams Park, home of a renowned zoo, carousel, and walking paths. Quick highway access allows you to easily commute to downtown Providence and the rich culture of the creative capital. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.